We're in Redwood Valley, California. About to load up 3 pieces on here. One really big piece, well, it's big, and a couple small pieces. I got a tub that's going to go across my top deck here out to what I've done here. Look what I've done. Okay, that thing is 15.5 feet long. My top deck is 10. So I put out my ramps here to act as a riser along with some dunnage, and we'll stick that last piece on top of that in between there on the very top to match up with these 4x4s. They'll come out here, put the big machine right behind it, and then a small machine on the ass end there. I was thinking I'd do it differently, but I was going to put the little machine on top, then the big machine, then the tub, but the tub's way long, the little machine's real small. This works out best. I'm gonna show you how I did this, doing this riser, because I haven't used this method yet. See there, I got, of course, all 4 ramps stacked up. I've got 4 pieces of dunnage, 4x4s, and then those big V-boards with that running across. And then I'll stick that 4x4 right there. Right now they're getting it ready down here. We're gonna go check out and see what's going on. All right, game plan is they're gonna come out and I'm gonna back up under it. So we'll make that happen. I don't know if I'll be able to capture that on video. I gotta rush now. All right, well, we got her did. It's not gorgeous, but it's tarped. The other driver just got here, so I'm gonna let them finish up and I'm out of here. Well, but anyway, I forgot to show you before I covered that up. I didn't wrap it up very well. Anyway, see there? Sitting on there just fine.